Hello, this is Sujata Kancharla. Today I'm going to discuss about number systems. I'm going to discuss about co-prime divisibility rules and remainder theorem. These topics are very much useful for all competitive exams. First, let us discuss about co-prime. Two or more numbers that do not have a common factor are known as co-prime or relatively prime. These numbers have a highest common factor of unity. For example, find all 5-digit numbers of the form 33x5y that are divisible by 36. 36 is a product of co-primes 4 and 9. Hence, 33x5y is divisible by 4 and 9. Then it will also be divisible by 36. Hence, to divisible by 4, y can be either 2 or 6. If y is 2, then the number becomes 33x52. For this divisible by 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Hence, 3 plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus 2 becomes 13 plus x. Then x will be 5 to be divisible by 9. Hence, the number 33552 divisible by 36. If y equals to 6, then 33x 56, this can be written as 3 plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus 6. Then it equals to 17 plus x. Then x can be 1 to divisible by 9. Hence the numbers 33552 and 33156 are divisible by 36. Next comes to divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2 or 5. A number divisible by 2 or 5 if the last digit is divisible by 2 or 5. Divisibility by 3 or 9. All such numbers, the sum of whose digits are divisible by 3 are divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is simultaneously divisible by 2 and 3. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number divisible by 8. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in the odd places and sum of the digits in the even places is 0 or divisible by 11. Divisibility by 12. All numbers divisible by 3 and 4 are divisible by 12. Let's discuss about another divisibility rules. The integer n is divisible by 7, 11 or 13 if and only if the difference of the number of thousands and the remainder of its division by 1000 is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Even numbers, all integers that are divisible by 2, they are also denoted by 2n. Odd numbers, all integers that are not divisible by 2, odd numbers leave a remainder 1 on being divided by 2. They are denoted by 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. Let's discuss about numbers. Lowest positive odd number is 1. Complex numbers. The arithmetic combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers are called complex numbers. Twin primes. A pair of prime numbers are said to be twin primes when they differ by 2. For example, 3 and 5. Perfect numbers. A number n is said to be a perfect number if the sum of all the divisors of n is equal to 2n. For example, 6 equals to 1 into 2 into 3. Sum of its divisors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 that becomes equals to 12. Let's discuss about remainder theorem. For example, 1422 into 1424 into 1426 when divided by 11 can be 1422 divided by 11 leaves remainder 3, 1424 by 11 leaves remainder 5, 1426 by 11 leaves remainder 7. Then the remainder will become 105 by 11. Then the remainder is 6. Using negative reminders, for example, 50 into 51 by 53, then remainder will be minus 3 into minus 2 by 53, that becomes equals to 6 by 53. Then the remainder is 6. For example, 61 into 62 into 63 by 65. The remainder will be 61 by 65 minus 4, 62 by 65 minus 3, 63 by 65 minus 2. Hence, minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 by 65. That becomes equals to minus 24 by 65. Hence, 65 minus 24, 41 will be the remainder. Let's discuss about large powers. If you can express the expression in the form ax plus 1 whole power n by a, the remainder will become 1 directly. For example, 56 power 12635 by 11 becomes 1 power 12635 by 11. Then the remainder is 1. In such a case, the value of power does not matter. Then comes to ax minus 1 whole power n by a. In such a case, minus 1 is the remainder. It will be evident that if the remainder is plus 1 if n is even, remainder is minus 1 if n is odd. For example, 35 whole power 127 by 6, this implies minus 1 whole power 127 by 6, that becomes equals to minus 1 by 6, then remainder 5. Next, discuss about prime number divisor rule. This rule states that If p is a prime number, then the remainder of the expression a power p minus 1 by p is 1, provided a is not a multiple of p. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment, and give suggestions.